Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, a lot of people are confused about Eastern Security Network and Biafra Liberation Army. Some persons are saying that Eastern Security Network still be in existence, they still be on vogue, they are still doing their things, they are still protecting the land. While some others are saying that no, Biafra Eastern Security Network is no longer in existence. But I want you to listen to this word and pick the truth out of it. And I also want you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Meanwhile, you will also hear the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You will see the toughness in him, and you will see the reason why people are saying that the Biafra Prime Minister, which is Simon Ekpa, is not different between himself and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are the same because they have the same energy, they have the same spirit, they speak the same thing, they take action in the same way. So let me not really talk too much and leave the video for you to watch, and I'll be right back.
To what happened at Zagibiam, at OD, Emene, Obibo, Isiama Farugu, in Aba, in Atumbo, must know that we cannot allow such senseless state-sponsored massacre of the innocent to continue. We can't allow it. We will never ever allow it. Therefore, I am placing the United Nations on notice, the EU, British government, the US government, that wherever the Nigerian army goes in again to massacre innocent people, we are going to retaliate. We will retaliate. OB will be the last time any sitting governor anywhere will give the order. So you cut out this very clip and send it to the ICC so they can have you there with them. So they can have you there with them. Meet them there. Should the need arise. You cannot go about and you expect them to do nothing. It is impossible. Absolutely impossible. It cannot happen. We have come to believe in. We have come that we may be free. The zoo called Nigeria was created by a white man, not an African. Named by a white woman, not a black African woman. It has no right to exist. And anybody that's held responsible by us, because it seems that the ICC doesn't want to do anything. It seems that all the courts of the world are silent as innocent people, men, women, and children. We can't allow that to continue. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. This very Eastern Security Network is not, and I repeat, is not the army of Biafra. When the time comes for us to raise the army of Biafra, we shall announce it to the whole world. It is merely a vigilante group, the same way you have Amoteku and Mieti Allah's national vigilante in Nigeria. That is why we must all be very, very measured in how we approach the issues that confront us at this very critical time of our history.
Two things have come this very afternoon to relate to you. Be warned and be cautious of those who tell you that they are still doing any recruitment of ESM. ESM are no longer existing. It is ESM that Ndiara and Ndoshi, known as DOS, were used and are still using it to deceive the innocent youth of Biafrans. I want you to know that the errands of ESN are far gone, as the voice you hear was stated very clearly, that when time comes for army of Biafra, you will be let known, and that was exactly what the great Prime Minister Simon Ekpa does. He formed the army of Biafra to withstand these deadly terrorists that have keep on trooping into the land of Biafra. Knowing fully well that ESM was not created to withstand the army, ESM was abolished, and Biafran soldier, Biafran Air Force, and Biafran Navy was formed because it was necessary, and it is necessary to defend our motherland. And that is the reason I'm here to tell you that anybody that is telling you that ESM exists is lying to you. And anybody that is telling you to join ESM recruitment in anywhere, know quite well that it's working with the zoo and your life is involved. Having given you this vital information, if you mistakenly hand over your life to the hands of our enemy, you are on your own. You're in your hand. That is very, very important for you to know. Take the message to your brother. For those of you who are interested in joining Nigeria Army, Nigeria Forces, and you know fully well that you are a Biafran or you are from any part of Biafra, I give you congratulations, because lastly, this message goes directly to our enemies. Those of you who happen to carry your... Let me shock you. Shay, when you were coming, those people you carry as lifeless, so you jack them, pack them, put inside vehicle, and drove them. They no get life again, but now you carry them. Then come with you as a living being, go with you half. You can never go in front. You can never go back in front. You always, as you come front, you use your back, they go. It's a promise the land of Biafra promise you. All of you, you will be going down. As you carry them go, the next time another person go in, until you understand that it's not the way you think. This is the land of our ancestors. The land whom Chuko Kikabiama gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us. Believe you me, we must hand over this land to our children and our children unborn without your presence. And when we say we need Biafra, we make it clear, loud and clear, that we need nothing but Biafra. So to you, I'm telling you that it is either Biafra or Biafra. No man, no woman, no mortal body can stop it. Not even immortal can stop it. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, you leave. But I am telling you that this and Biafra will be heard all over the world. You can't stop us. We are unstoppable. Unstoppable, we are. You can't stop us. The more you come, that number. It doesn't really matter how many you come. If you like, come in 1,000, you will fall in 1,000. Come in million, you will fall in million. Let me give you a example. You see red ant, this soldier ant, when they are full, when they come as many as they are, you just cook hot water, pour them, all of them will die at the spot. That's the same way, no matter how many you come. But the ground of Biafra is always ready and is big enough to test them, so that as alive while you were coming. But now, you carry the land of the Biafra. The children of Biafra go nowhere. This is the land of our ancestors. And Biafra, I say Biafra must come and must remain. You can't cancel that. You can't kill us. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, come and try your own power. At the end, you will know that power pass power. Juju pass juju. You don't know that? Juju pass juju. Power pass power. You come with your native doctor, where are they? You come with your power, where is your power? As long as we are the indigene of this land, this child, the son of the soil, can never be killed. You understand that? You understand that? I don't expect you to know. But ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ho ho ho. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. So therefore, as you carry your land of the spirit, you must join the spirit. That is my message for you as our enemy. Mark it. I say in this land of the spirit, if you don't know, you have come to the land of the ghost. You have come to the land of the ghost. And I'm telling you now that in this land of the ghost, you can never go. Now you understand. That is what I mean. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. If you know, you know. I do not have time to waste because we do not have time to capping. No time for that. If you don't understand, ask your next person, what did this man mean? But you know, so shall it be in Eke, in Ore, in Afo, and Unkwo, in the water and the land, now and forevermore.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress, the analysis. I bring all the update to you back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.